This is the Billy, the Philips Billy 1340. How to open it? Look, remove this, put it out. Then you see a special screw. Remove the special screw with a special screwdriver. A special screwdriver, because you see the notch here, and this is the special screwdriver, but you can make it yourself with a file. So you can make it yourself with a file, and then you have this special tool to remove this screw. Okay. Normally this is completely put in, and to put it out you need only a knife, and then last both sides. You can put it out. You see these angles, and then there is a file, a feather, you see this, a feather. When that is already done, I did it before, then you can put it out. This is for the button. This is the contact for where to start. And here is the motor block. But to remove it, the motor block, you have to turn it 10 degrees. And there you need a tool like this. That's enough. And then you can put it out, and the complete motor block come out. So then you can see this turns free. Yes, this turns free, no problem. Put it again inside. Most of the time the connection with this to the motor block is completely worn out. So then I did it before. I put here inside silicone glue. Put it again, let it dry 1 day, and then you see it is again a good connection. There's again a good connection. That is what you can do. Then you have to reassemble it again. Thank you very much.